Hello dear students, today we are going to do the further part of chapter number 7th, page number 52. So we are going to study about number adjective. So let us talk about number adjective. See, when we use number adjective to talk about dates. For example, my birthday is on 24th May. How do we say this? We say like my birthday is on the 24th of May. In this way we say the first, second, the second, third, the third, in this way, okay? Then randomly we use all these numbers. Then continuing to the next part, question number F. Write the numbers of 12 months of the year. We have to write, you have to write the names of the months in number, okay? So January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December, okay? In this sequence you have to write the names of the months. And then question number G, what special day falls on these dates? You all know that these dates you all know. On Republic Day is on 26th of January. Christmas Day is on 25th December. Gandhi Jayanti is on 2nd October. Independence Day is on 15th August. New Year is on 1st January. So you should know these days and these dates of these days, okay? Then next question number H. Say these dates and write the word in full. So these are the dates given here. You have to, what we have to do is we have to write the full in the full form how it is written in the first one, okay? The 26th of January. See, 26th of January. The 26th of January number we have to write it down. 4th July, the 4th of July, okay? In number adjective we have to write it down. We should write it. We have to write, sorry. 31st May, the 31st of May. 3rd of July, okay? Moving to the next page. Spelling rules. See, here there are some number spellings of number is given. 12, 12th, 20, 20th, 30, 30th, 40, 40th. So these are the you can see the number adjectives, okay? In this way we have to write it on. Remember to use a hyphen. Hyphen means 20 seconds, 21st. These are the hyphens, okay? So we also use number adjective to talk about the order that people or thing are in, okay? Then next one, see here it is given. See here there are four people they are, and Neeraj is the fourth person in the queue. Neeraj is the fourth person. It indicates that on which number the person is standing or the thing is kept there, okay? So question number I, change the number in the sentence into number adjective, okay? So there are number given here. We have to, what we have to do is we have to write it in number adjective, okay? So first one is already given. My grandparent has been married for 40 years. This is their 40th wedding anniversary. Look at page number 21. Look at the 21st page. The bank is on floor 5. The bank is on the 5th floor. Yusuf is 33 years old today. It's his 33rd birthday. Mala is standing behind 8 other people in a queue. She is 8. Our house is number 10. So it's the 10th house in the street. Then building. We can add ly to some nouns to make an adjective, but among something that happens regularly, okay? When something happens regularly, what we use? ly, okay? You can see here. You can read this monthly magazine in the library. He writes article for a daily newspaper. or day, daily. In the same way, when we use the noun regularly, so we use what? Ly, word ly here, okay, in the noun. Then next, question number J, put these time words in order, okay. So see, hourly, daily, there are time, most often to least often. See, it means often to least often means सबसे छोटे से लेके बड़ा तक, means hourly, time, it is the time given, okay, time words in order. So first, how we will write? hourly, hourly, डेली, घंटा, फिर पूरा दिन, डेली होता है जो काम. देन वीकली, हफ्ते में. व्हाट इज़ फोर्टनाइटली? फोर्टनाइटली मीन्स वंस इन अ ट्वाइस, वंस इन 2 वीक्स, ओके. इट मीन्स वंस इन 2 वीक्स, 2 हफ्तों में जो काम एक बार किया जाता है वो फोर्टनाइटली उसे बोलते हैं. देन मंथली एंड ईयरली, ओके. Then question number K, complete the sentence, use ly adjective that we relates to the underlined word, that are related to the underlined words. So underlined words, what it is given, we have to write it down related to this thing, underlined words, okay. Like, my parents go to the supermarket every week, it is their weekly shopping trip. The two schools have a cricket match every fortnight. Fortnight, just now I told you that once in 14 days or 15 days, okay. Every fortnight they have fortnightly match. Then the big clock chimes every hour. I can hear its hourly chime now. We have English lesson every day. Our daily lesson helps us to learn fast. Yusuf work in bank. He is paid every month. He gets a monthly paycheck. Okay. Diwali happens near the end of every year. It is a yearly festival. Okay. Then question number L. Write the noun that each list of adjective describe. Means, see, there are some items given here. Some name of some things are given. Tall, empty, wooden, stone, large, old. So these things are given. It is given, what it is given here, it describes buildings, okay. Buildings needs all these things, okay. Then when we talk about building, these all things come in that things, okay. Then question number second, wild, young, tame, fussy, timid, hungry. What is this? This is an animal. Then kind, happy, cheerful, beautiful, handsome, people, okay. We describe about people, all these things, okay. Ripe, spicy, hot, fresh, delicious, tasty, food. We are talking about food. Long, loose, short, colorful, tight, smart, clothes. Interesting, scary, sad, funny, and entertaining, films. So dear students, next question is your favorite one. See, here there is a crossword. So here you have to, what you have to do is you have to solve this by reading this, okay, downwards. First one, not quite. Where is the first one? You can see here, it is noisy. First one is already given. Second, not bent. Not bent यानी जो टेढ़ा नहीं है, यानी सीधा है. Straight. See, second, straight. Then third one, not blunt. Not blunt यानी जो तीखा नहीं, शार्प नहीं है, it is sharp, okay. Not tidy. Not tidy, and it means what? You can see number 4th, untidy. जो tidy नहीं है वो क्या है? Untidy है. Not thin. Not thin means thick, thick, thick. Then not full. Not full means it is empty. See, empty, 8th number, empty. Empty यानी खाली, which is not full, it is empty, okay. Then not sour, जो खट्टा नहीं है, मीठा है, it is sweet, number 3. Then rich, number 5, where it is wealthy, wealthy, rich meaning is wealthy. Then not shallow. Not shallow means deep, it is deep. Number 7, you can see it is DEEP, deep. Not clean. Not clean means what? Not clean means what? You can see here number 9, dirty. It means dirty, which is not clean, it is dirty. Not strong. Not strong means it is weak. The person is weak. W-E-A-K, weak. Okay. Not handsome. Not handsome means ugly. U-G-L-Y. So dear students, now we have completed chapter number 7 today. You have to write it down and you have to understand this chapter first. You have to listen the video carefully. Okay. Thank you.